Welcome back friends, how are you all? Today I have chosen another two entrance questions on binomial theorem. Earlier we have learned on the basic facts of binomial theorem. Please watch the complete video. If you are new here, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the future updates. Friends, if a and b are coefficients of x to the power n in the expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power 2n and 1 plus x whole to the power 2n minus 1 respectively, then you have to choose the correct option. Okay, first of all we take the first expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power twice n, and from it we get the general term. We write in short gt as twice n cr into x to the power r. Okay, and the other one is 1 plus x whole to the power twice n minus 1. From it we are getting the general term g dot t in short, and it will be 2n minus 1 c r into x to the power r. Okay, what are the coefficients here? Respectively, this is twice n cr, another one is twice n minus 1 cr. We write the coefficients. Okay, this is twice n cr, another one is twice n minus 1 cr. Now friends, what is given? A and b are the coefficients of x to the power n. Now this is your a and this one is your b. So divide this one a upon b, and we shall get from here twice n cn upon twice n minus 1 cn, isn't it? A and b are the coefficients of x to the power n. Here the coefficient of x to the power r is 2ncr. So coefficient of x to the power n will be 2ncn. 2ncn. This is written here. Similarly, the coefficient of x to the power r is here 2n minus 1 cr. So the coefficient of x to the power n will be 2n minus 1 cn, and it is written here 2n minus 1 cn. Okay, so we shall now calculate this one. This is twice n factorial upon n factorial into n factorial into divided by twice n minus 1 cn. That means it will be n factorial into n minus 1 factorial upon twice n minus 1 whole factorial, isn't it? So twice n factorial, that means twice n into twice n minus 1 whole factorial, and n factorial is cancelled here, n minus 1 factorial divided by n factorial into twice n minus 1 whole factorial. So we can cancel twice n minus whole factorial, and it will be twice n, and since this n factorial also be broken, so we write twice n into n minus 1 factorial and break this one, n into n minus 1 whole factorial. This is also again cancelled, n is also cancelled, only remaining a part is 2. So a upon b, what we have found here now, a by b is equal to 2. A by b is equal to 2. So a is equal to twice b. A is equal to twice b. So find the option a is equal to twice b. Yes, b is the correct option. In the expansion of 1 plus px whole to the power n, where n belongs to capital N, the coefficients of x and x square are respectively 8 and 24. Then find the values of n and p. Okay, we have 1 plus px whole to the power n. Okay, we write 1 plus px whole power n, and we expand. So our expansion of 1 plus px whole to the power n is 1 plus nc1 px plus nc2 px whole square plus nc3 px whole cube, and so on. The last term will be px whole power n. Okay, so that means we expand it again. 1 plus nc1. What is nc1? nc1 is equal to n into px. What is nc2? nc2 means half of n into n minus 1, and it will be p square x square, and nc3 and so on. It is continuing. The last term will be p to the power n and x to the power n. Right, p to the power n and into x to the power n. According to the hypothesis, np is the coefficient of x here, and the coefficient of x is given 8, isn't it? So np is equal to 8. So from here you can write p is equal to 8 upon n. Okay, On the other hand, the coefficient of x square is here this part. This is half of n into n minus 1 into p square, and it is also given in your question x square. The coefficient of x square is 24, so write 24. So friends, half of n into n minus 1 into p square, p means 8 by n, so 8 upon n whole to the power 2 is equal to 24, or n minus 1 divided by n, because this is n square and one n will be cancelled, so remaining in denominator will be n, and 24 into 2, that is on the right side 24 into 2 divided by 8 square. 8 square means 8 into 8, and 3, it will be 3 to the 6 divided by 8, again you can cancel and you will find 3 by 4, isn't it? So cross multiply now, it will be 4n minus 4 is equal to 3n, or n is equal to 4. So n is equal to 4, and now you can put the value of n in this equation. So from this one you will get p is equal to 8 upon n, and n is equal to 4, so this is 2. Therefore p is equal to 2. So these are two results to be found, and respectively n is equal to 4 and p is equal to 2. And watch carefully the question what are given. In the expansion of 1 plus px whole to the power n, where n belongs to capital N, the coefficients of x and x square are given 8 and 24 respectively, then you are asked to find the values of n and p, and respectively we got these values. P is equal to 2, on the other hand n is equal to 4. Thank you, have a nice day.